Hello everyone. Welcome back to our new video. Today, I'm going to show you how to convert Canva to PowerPoint in just a few simple steps. If you are searching to convert Canva presentation to PowerPoint, you come to the right place. But before we jump into it, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I've also added some useful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them. Alright, let's get started. To convert your Canva design to PowerPoint, first of all, open the Canva app on your computer or go to the Canva website. Once you're on Canva, open the Canva presentation or design that you want to convert to PowerPoint. I am going to convert this Canva presentation into a PowerPoint file, .PPTX. Once your design opens, click on the Share button at the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down that appears, click on Download. A new pop-up appears under File Type, where you can select Microsoft PowerPoint Document, .PPTX, as the format. Once selected, click on the Download button and wait for Canva to prepare the file. After the download is complete, the file will be saved to your computer in .PPTX format. Now, you can open this file using Microsoft PowerPoint to edit or present. To open and edit in PowerPoint, locate the downloaded file. Now double-click on the file. Your Canva presentation is now open in PowerPoint. You can now edit any text or present from here. If you see some designs that are not working as in Canva, it is because of design compatibility, so you may need to edit and modify them.